Trigonometry useful for all SSC students. First bit, the number of trigonometric ratios is sine, cosine, tangent, cotangent, secant and cosecant. So number of trigonometric ratios is 6. So first answer is 6. Second one, 1 minus cos square theta is sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. Therefore, sin square theta is equal to 1 minus cos square theta. So, second answer is sin square theta. Third bit, given secant theta plus tan theta into secant theta minus tan theta. It is looks like a plus b into a minus b. Here a is equal to secant theta and b is equal to tan theta. From algebraic identity, a plus b into a minus b is equal to a square minus b square. Secant theta plus tan theta into secant theta minus tan theta is equal to secant square theta minus tan square theta. By using second identity, 1 plus tan square theta is equal to secant square theta, or secant square theta minus tan square theta is equal to 1. It is 1. So third answer is 1. Fourth bit, cot theta plus cosec theta into cot theta minus cosec theta. It is looks like a plus b into a minus b. A is equal to cot theta, b is equal to cosec theta. From algebraic identity, a plus b into a minus b is equal to a square minus b square. Cot theta plus cosec theta into cot theta minus cosec theta is equal to cot square theta minus cosec square theta. From third identity, 1 plus cot square theta is equal to cosec square theta. So cot square theta minus cosec square theta is equal to minus 1. So fourth answer is minus 1. Fifth bit, cos 60 is equal to 1 by 2. Tan 30 is 1 by 2. 1 by 2 into 1 by 2 plus cos 30 degrees is root 3 by 2. Sin 60 degrees is root 3 by 2. Numerator into numerator, 1 into 1 is 1, 2 into 2 4, plus as it is root 3 into root 3 is 3, 2 into 2 is 4, LCM is 4, so 1 plus 3 by 4, it is 4 by 4 is equal to 1. So fifth answer is 1. Sixth one, tan 60 degrees is root 3 into cos 60 degrees is 1 by 2 plus cot 60 is equal to tan 30 degrees. Cot 60 degrees is equal to 1 by root 3. Sin 60 is root 3 by 2. Here root 3 cancelled. Now root 3 into 1 is root 3 by 2 plus 1 by 2. LCM is 2. So answer is root 3 plus 1 by 2. Seventh bit, tan 45 degrees is equal to 1 plus as it is cot 45 degrees is equal to 1 plus secant 45 degrees is root 2 into cosecant 45 degrees is root 2. 1 plus 1 is 2 plus as it is root 2 into root 2 is 2. 2 plus 2 is 4. Seventh answer is 4. Please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.